The JSP elements allow us to embed Java code either directly or indirectly into a JSP page. They come in threes. Most of the elements in JSP come in threes. At a high level, the JSP elements themselves are classified into three. They are the scripting elements, directives, and then action elements. The scripting elements, once again, come in threes, wherein we have declaration, expression, and scriptlets. We'll go through the details of each one of them in a separate video. The scripting elements allow you to embed code in the various parts of the JSP as required, and they have three different functions. The directives, again, they allow you to import Java classes into your JSP page, include another JSP page statically, and then the tag lib can be used to import tag libraries into your JSP page so that you can start using a custom tag library or JSTL, etc. The last element, actions, are runtime instructions for a container, JSP container. Here are some actions like include, forward, use bean. There are several other inbuilt actions which the container come with. Tomcat, WebLogic, WebSphere, they all come with these inbuilt actions. Or we have custom actions where we define our own tags. Actions are nothing but tags, so we can define our own custom tags following the JSP standard or use the tags available in JSTL, Java Standard Tag Library. So to quickly summarize, we have three types of JSP elements: scripting elements, which are declaration, expression, and scriptlets, which allow you to directly embed Java code into the various parts of the JSP page. Then we have directives, which again are three important directives. Page, there are 13 attributes on page, as we'll learn in the next few videos. Then we have include, which statically includes another JSP page into the current JSP or HTML. Then we have tag lib that allows you to import a tag library, which is nothing but a custom tag or an inbuilt, a JSTL tag. Then the actions, there are 6 important actions which we will be learning in detail in the next few videos.